Hello and welcome to Southbridge. Today, you will learn how to read CSV file using the C programming language. So I have a CSV file named sample data. Let's take a look at the file. So this is the contents of our CSV file. Now let's go to code blocks and create an empty file. So let's save this file. Let's name this read CSV okay. So to start, let's use our standard input output library and our main function. So what we are going to do is we will open the CSV file. So let's type file and the name of our variable. Okay, the file. Again, we are using the fopen. Sample data.csv, and we're going to use the read mode. So let's check if we can read the file. So if we cannot read the file, let's display an error message. Error. Unable to open the file. And then exit the application. Now if there are no problem opening the file, let's declare a line variable array. Okay, array of characters, and as we will put its length, let's say 200. And now let's create a while loop. So while if gets function will demand 3 parameters. So the variable and the size, and then the file stream. So CSV file is a comma separated values, so we will tokenize each rows using the strtok or strtok. The first parameter is the line, the string or the row, and then we will separate each values by the commas. So this strtok function will assign the first token to this variable. So in order to read all the tokens, let's create a while loop again, and we will put token is not equal to null, and then we will print the token. So we will type the strtalk again. Let's assign the value null and then the comma. And then in each line we have to print a new line so that our program will display the values line by line. So I think it's okay. So let's try to build our program. Oops. Size of okay. So let us try to run our code. So as you can see, the values in our CSV file is displayed in our command prompt. So let's check the values. So the first row is the header. Order date, region, rep, item, units, unit cost, and total. So the first row that has a value is the row number 2. So it is January 6, 2019, East, Jones, Pencil, 95, 1.99, 189.05. So let us check also the last value so that we can know that the all rows are displayed in our program. So the row number 44 is December 21, 2020, Central, Andrews, Binder, 28, 4.99, 139.72. So let's try to arrange our rows. So let's put -12 in our format string. So it is percent -12s, and then we pass the value of the token. So let's try this. That's how we can read a CSV file in C programming language. So you can edit this while loop to customize it for your needs. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you.